We recently heard a rumor about the new BMW M2 Competition. BMW has now made this more powerful version of the M2 official. It doesn't comes with the standard engine from the M2, instead it is powered by the same twin-turbo 6-cylinder inline engine that is used in the BMW M3 and M4. The new BMW M2 Competition comes with 410 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque. It features a limited top speed of 155 miles per hour, or 170 miles per hour with the M Drivers package, and a 0 to 60 time of just 4.4 seconds. This is reduced to 4.2 seconds if you include the optional Drivers package. These alterations to the BMW M2 Competition means it can offer unrivaled all-round performance in class and post some impressive headline statistics. It accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, MDCT transmission, 4.4 seconds with manual gearbox, before going on to an electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. Upgrade to the optional competition-focused M Drivers package and that top speed increases to 170 miles per hour. Revised chassis tuning and an upgraded brake system means it handles sharper than the original M2. You can find out more information about the new BMW M2 Competition over at BMW at the link below. Prices for the car start at £49,285.